Hey guys, it's Jay with Barrett Pressure Washing. Today I'm doing a little pressure washing of a lanai in St. Petersburg. So come along with me and I'll show you how I do it. So the first thing I do when pressure washing this lanai in St. Petersburg is I use a tip that just kind of blows more air than it does water and blows all the leaves and stuff that has clung to the top of the screen, acorns, that kind of stuff. And just using that around the top perimeter of the screen, because like in all cleaning you do top down. So we start with the top and we work our way down. So the next step in pressure washing this lanai in St. Petersburg is I took the turbo tip there and went around the perimeter of the pool. There were some weeds around there, so I took out all those from between the joints of the pavers, always working out away from the pool. Next, I am taking the soap tip and I am saturating this whole entire area in sodium hypochlorite, which is just a fancy word for chlorine. And this will help kill all the algae and other organic matter. Next, I am taking the surface cleaner there and just really thoroughly going over the whole entire surface, cleaning every little inch with that surface cleaner. Of course, the last step here is to rinse everything really thoroughly, get all the junk from in the corners out that I have made with the surface cleaner, cleaning the walls, anything that is sprayed up onto the screen, just giving everything a thorough rinse. There was actually a big dead frog in the corner of that. It was pretty gross. But that's how we do it. It's all clean. Well, there you have it, the finished product, and isn't that gorgeous? Hey, if you're looking for pressure washing in St. Petersburg, look no further than Barrett Pressure Washing. I have more than 15 years of industry experience, professionally trained and certified, tons of Google reviews, 5-star Google reviews, but more than that, I really am committed to excellence in every job that I do. I do meticulous work and have the utmost respect for my customers, their property, and minimizing the impact I have on the environment. And just remember,